This is Angelina Sanchez, and I'm going to be doing a video on how to multiply 2 digit by 1 digit using the area model. So first, we would start off with our multiplication fact. So it's 24 times 3. What I like to do first is I like to make a multiplication chart of my 3's just in case I don't remember. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right off to the side over here, just like that. I'm going to put my number 3 over here, and then I like to represent my 3 using 3 dots, or 3 lines, or 3, you can use whatever shape you want, but I like to use the 3 dots. And I'm going to go ahead and number till 4, because that's the largest digit I'm going to be multiplying by, which is 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. Now whenever I'm multiplying 3 times 1, I just start off 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. And then I'll just add another 3. If you don't already know what 3 times 2 is, then I'll add another 3. So I start off with 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 3 times 3 is 9. But if you didn't know that, then you could go off by 6 and add 3 more. So 6, 7, 8, 9. And you see how I'm touching the dots every time I'm counting? That helps. So you're not like 1, 2, 3, 4, you're not like recounting. You're counting the exact amount, just like that. And then 3 times 4, you can add 3 more. 9, 10, 11, 12. So there we have our T-chart of our 3's. So then we will set up our area model. We need a rectangle, and we are going to be putting 1 digit over here, and we are going to be breaking up the 24. What I mean by that is, what does the 4 represent? In the 1's place, that will represent a 4. The 2 will represent a 20. That's what I mean by breaking it up. We will draw a line right down the middle, just like that. And then whatever we are multiplying by will go over here. So our 3, just like that. So we're going to start off in this first box. 3 times 20. Just like that. We've already learned our trailing zeros. So we would box in our numbers other than 0. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then we will add our trailing 0 at the end, which would be 60. Then we will go here. 3 times 4. Again, if you already don't know that multiplication fact by memory, you have your T-chart right here. 3 times 4 is 12. Just like that. We aren't done yet. We have to add these two totals right here. Our 60 and our 12. 60 plus 12, just like that. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 1, 7. Our answer would be 72, just like that. We're going to go ahead and do one more, which I already have set right here. You can go ahead and write it on your whiteboard. It would be 48 times 7. 48 times 7. Now we're going to go ahead and start off just like what we did with the first example that we did. We're going to make a T-chart of our 7's. Okay? Now if you already know these by memory, then you don't have to make a T-chart. The T-chart's just there for you just in case you forget. So we're going to go ahead and put 7 dots over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our biggest number that we're going to be multiplying by is our 8. So I'm going to go ahead and go all the way up to 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and multiply. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. Or, like I said, you can add on. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That would be your 14. 7 times 3, 21. If you don't already know that, you start at 14 and you add 7 more. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Last but not least, start at 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. All the way up to 56, just like that. Again, we're going to go ahead and set up our rectangle. And our 7 goes over here. And our 48, we're going to break up into their individual place values. So our 8 is in the ones place, so it's just going to be an 8. And our 4 is a 40, because it is in the tens place. We're going to go ahead and draw a line right down the middle. Now we're going to start in this box right here. 7 times 40. Again, we're doing a trailing 0. So we're going to go ahead and box in the numbers, the symbols, and the numbers that are not 0. So that is 4 times 7, 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. But it's not just 28, because we have to add our trailing 0. 280. Now we're multiplying right here. 7 times 8. If you don't already know what 7 times 8 is, we have our T-chart right here. 7 times 8 is 56. Just like that. And then we add our 2 digits, 280 plus 56. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 5, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We are going to carry our 1 and drop our 3. And then we add our 2 plus 1, which is 3. Our answer, 336. And that's how you multiply using the area model.